In this video, I am going to show you how to add a picture to Snapchat story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat application, and once you are on camera, right there, just next to record button, hit add that memories icon. Now, here you can select your snaps, your camera roll, stories and my eyes only. I will select camera roll, and now in order to add some picture from here, all I have to do is hit on that picture to open it and then hit add that pencil icon. Now I can edit this picture as I want. I can add there some text or music or one of that other options, and then once I am done I can hit on send to select the persons whom I want to share this picture with, and then all I have to do is just hit there on that arrow icon to send that picture to story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.